If you want to change the opacity in Picsart, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, open up your project. Alright? Then what you're going to do, you're going to see the tools at the bottom. Swipe right to find the border. Right? Click the border. You're going to see right here the inner outer. Go back. Right? You're going to see shape. Right? It used to be in the border. So let me close this one and choose the shape again. Shape. Right? You're going to swipe right to see the opacity. So you could do the opacity for this circle, right? Or you could just click the layers at the top right and select the photo and change the opacity for that photo, and you're going to see the changes on the top right layer. Okay, you're going to find the changes in your opacity. But if you want to do it with that, with the circle or triangle, you can just change the opacity to disappear or to appear if you want to. Okay, and if you click the picture or your picture for that matter, you can blur it out, or you could change the opacity. So that's my another comment. So this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.